Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how can you make professional logo with AI. Yes, now you don't have need a professional designer for graphic or you don't have need to pay for that. Make your logo now within a 5 minute. So let's start. First of all, open a website bing.com. I will put all the link in the description. So here I have to give a prompt. In this video, I will design the logo for my coffee shop. So first of all, I will give a prompt. Make a logo for coffee shop named, and I hereby give a name Cup of Dream Cafe. Okay, join and create. Let's see. You can see it generate four logos for me. One is that, one is that, one is that, and one is that. But I think these logos are not such a professional logos. If I want more professional logo, then comes on another website which is known as Gravity Right. Here is a website image prompt. Click on the image prompt and click on the logo design ideas. There is a website logo design idea. Now hereby I write some things, product or brand name, as I already mentioned here, Cup of Dreams Cafe, and describe your business. I here some lines, a logo for my coffee shop which provide every type of coffee in winters, not only by tasty but also healthy. So now I will ask him to create a content for me. So it will take a little bit time. Looked at, it generated a prompt for me. Logo idea 1, logo idea 2, logo idea 3, and logo idea 4. Okay, and it is continuously generating a prompt for me. So hereby put one prompt and copy on the Bing creator. First of all, I will read all the prompt and select one of them. Let me check first of one. Simply copy it, go back to Bing creator and paste that prompt and create, and wait for a while. As you can see, it is created the images. Looked at, after giving a prompt, it generated some unique logos for me. One is that, one is that, even that it mentioned a name of my brand which is Cup of Dream Cafe, and one is that. Let me try another prompt and show you. Look, as I give one of the another prompt and it make me another logos for me. So let me show you some of them. Definitely it is one of the more classy logos that is created through Gravity Right and Bing Creator. Now show some other one. As I like that one, so I simply download it. After downloading it successfully, I will open here Canva. You can see that. I hereby come back to Canva. It is your choice, either you come on the Canva or not, because I want some another addition in the logo. That's why I come to Canva. So first of all, click on the create and design and then click on the logo. It will open a screen, and hereby you have to drop your logo which you already created in bing.com. I simply drag and drop my logo here, and I will resize it according to that, just by getting. After that, because I want to add name of my logo, so I will simply add an element, and then hereby I add here a shape. So I will add that shape here, and I will resize it just like that and just like that, and definitely I will color it according to No, I want it some another color combinational. Hereby I will add text cup of dream cafe and definitely reduce the size so that it can adjust in a single line and put on that. It is not keep sorry, it is cup. Okay, now just I will change the color of text. So that's how I hereby give my name of cafe, and my logo is finally designed. Just click on the share, click on the download, and download your logo, and I will see you the final look. Download. Look at. So make your own logo now and share with me in comments either you make your logo successfully or not. Thank you for watching.